The retired captain of Indian cricket team Sourav Ganguly will be off for brand ambassador of Tripura Tourism. For the above purpose, on Tuesday, State Tourism Minister Sushant Chaudhary went to Kolkata Behela to meet up with Sourav Ganguly. Finally, the wait is over. The state people is about to come true. The retired Indian cricket player Sourav Ganguly is chosen to be a brand ambassador of Tripura Tourism. From the beginning onwards, there was a demand to appoint the retired captain of Indian cricket team, Sourav Ganguly, as the brand ambassador of Tripura Tourism. On Tuesday, State Tourism Minister Sushant Chaudhary went to Kolkata Behela to meet up with Sourav Ganguly. On that day, there was a major discussion among two of them for at least 1 hour, and later came out with a bright smile on their face. If the retired captain of Indian cricket team Sourav Ganguly accepted the proposal to be a brand ambassador of Tripura Tourism made by the state, then the beauty and wonders of Tripura Tourism will be known in all over the country. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.